Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making oven shrimp and a mussel boil in a foil. Enjoy!
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, firstly I seasoned the shrimp and the mussels with the seasoning listed on the screen. Then before doing this, I parboiled the corn and the potatoes, and I'm just literally assembling them at the moment. I'm putting on a butter mix, and again the ingredients listed that I used to make the butter is listed on the screen, and I'm just literally packing everything in. I had some broth from a previous boil that I did that I had stored in the freezer, and I just thought I'd put some of it on there, but you can go ahead and use a couple of tablespoons of broth of your choice. So what I'm doing, I'll just assemble everything in the foil, and then I'm just going to make sure that I'm just closing the foil, making sure that it's sealed tightly. I had to use an extra piece of foil because my foil paper was just a struggle. So yeah, just to make sure that no air, nothing can leak out of it. I'm just literally wrapping it, and I'm just going to place this in the oven now for about 15 minutes. After about 15 to 20 minutes, be very careful, because you know what, there's steam coming out everywhere and it will burn your fingers. So please be extra careful when doing this. Just using my fork now just to show you what's happening, and as you can see, there's a lot of juices gathered in the bottom. It's not dry, it's quite moist. I would recommend halfway through in the oven just to turn it over on the other side, so that the juice just don't sit at the bottom. It just flows through the whole of the foil pack. So yeah, this is it guys, my shrimp and mussel foil boil. Thanks for watching this video guys, hope you enjoy it. I mean, I sure did. Look at that, all juicy and just goodness, delicious. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon, bye.